Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 best free AI video generators that let you create unlimited AI videos for free. The quality of these tools is seriously impressive, and the last one is my personal favorite. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Before I show you the tools, take a look at what they can actually create. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, so the first AI video generator is Meta AI. Simply search for Meta AI on Google and open the official website. Sign up and you're ready to go. Let's generate our first video. Now click on Create, enter your prompt and hit Generate. After a few moments, 4 cool video clips will be ready. And here we go. Choose your favorite one and check out the result. The motion, camera movement, and overall quality look fantastic. Now simply download your video. AI videos currently come with a watermark, but don't worry, you can easily remove it using a watermark remover tool and use your videos wherever you want. Now let's move on to the second AI video generator, WAN AI. Simply search for WAN AI on Google and open the official website. Once you're inside, you'll receive free daily credits that you can use to generate your videos. And the best part is that even if you run out of credits, you can still keep creating videos for free. The generation might take a little longer, but that's completely fine. Now let's generate our first video. Simply enter your prompt and you'll also find plenty of useful options and effects that you can use to customize your video however you like. Once everything is ready, click on Generate and wait a few moments, and here we are. Just look at the result. The quality looks fantastic, and one thing I personally like about this tool is that it automatically adds sound effects, which makes the videos feel much more realistic. In fact, if I compare this result with the one we got from Meta AI, I think this one looks even better. Now simply download your video. Just like the previous tool, you'll notice a watermark on the video, but that's easy to remove using any watermark remover tool. And that's how you can create high-quality AI videos with WAN AI. And to use this tool for creating unlimited AI videos, use different emails. Now it's time for the third and final AI video generator, and honestly, this one surprised me the most. The tool I'm talking about is Qwen AI. Simply search for Qwen AI on Google, open the official website, and create an account. Once you're inside, click on Create Video, enter your prompt, and hit the Generate button. After a few moments, your video will be ready, and wow, just look at the result. Personally, I think this is the best result we've seen so far. The quality looks fantastic, the motion feels smooth, and the automatically added sound effects make the video feel even more realistic. And the best part is that the video comes without a watermark, so you can simply download it and start using it right away. Honestly, that's one of the reasons why I like this tool so much. If I compare all 3 tools, Meta AI, WAN AI, and Qwen AI, then my personal favorite has to be Qwen AI. So these were my top 3 favorite free AI video generators for creating unlimited AI videos. Now I'd love to know which one was your favorite. Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel because I'll be sharing more amazing AI tools and tutorials in the future. That's all for this video. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.